cold open. There's no need to panic when your infant catches a cough, common cold, or flu. With just a few steps, you can manage these effectively. First, ensure your baby stays hydrated. Offer breast milk or formula frequently, and for babies over 6 months, a few sips of water can help. Next, a humidifier can work wonders in easing congestion. The moisture soothes irritated nasal passages and can help your baby breathe easier. And remember, never give honey to babies under 1 year old to soothe a cough. It can lead to a rare but serious illness. Lastly, when in doubt, always consult a healthcare professional. Remember, as daunting as it may seem, you're doing a great job. Keep going, and your baby will be back to their giggling self in no time.